The Excel EDATE function returns a date on the same day of the month n months in the past or future. You can use EDATE to calculate expiration dates, anniversary dates, retirement dates, and other due dates. Use a positive value for months to get a date in the future and a negative value for dates in the past. The syntax is start date. Start date is a valid Excel date. Months, number of months before or after start date. For example, we have February 1st, 2020 in A2. Use EDATE with months as 1. EDATE returns a date serial number which must be formatted as a date. Select the cell and in the number format menu, select the date format of your choice. We get March 1st, 2020. To use the EDATE function to move by years, use 12 for months. For example, to move forward 24 months, you can use either of these formulas. The second formula is useful when you already have years in another cell and want to convert to months inside EDATE. To use EDATE with today's date, you can use the today function. For example, to create a date exactly 6 months from today, you can use this formula. When used with end of month dates, EDATE moves forward or backwards and will adjust year, month, and day values as necessary. For example, EDATE will maintain the last day of month. When March 31st is passed, the function returns April 30. EDATE will also consider leap years. When January 31st, 2019 is passed, the function returns February 28th, 2019. 2020 is a leap year. When January 31st, 2020 is passed, the function returns February 29th, 2020. To download the example Excel file used in this video, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.